Good morning. My name is Kathy, and I've been seeing Dr. Heron Mortensen since December 2004, right after I had my second total knee replacement. Threw my back out, my neck out, just from walking, kind of wobbling actually, for about 2-3 years before I had both my knee surgeries. And not getting any relief by seeing my doctor. Medication isn't all what it's cracked up to be. I was getting headaches, neck ache, back pain just from throwing my total back out. Met Dr. Heron and Mortensen both actually at Wells Fargo Bank where I work, and they come in yearly and have their talks about chiropractic care. And the first time they were in, they gave us a little coupon for a free visit, which was cool for all of us that work at the bank. So I came in very impressed. I got practically instant relief. I come on a regular basis now and I'm feeling wonderful. My neck pain's gone, headaches are gone, I actually sleep better at night. Believe it or not, my whole body feels better. I feel like I'm back in alignment. Now I'm seeing Dr. Hare for a hip problem. Threw my hip out, doing something stupid, I guess, I don't know. I figured out what it is and I'm taking care of it, just walking differently and exercising more often and seeing him more often. So I feel like my body's getting back in alignment. I feel wonderful, so good that I talked my son, convinced my son into coming in. He's got flat feet. Notice he was kind of wobbling also like me when he walks. We got some plaster of Paris imprints made, some shoe supports, I think that's what they're called. He wears them every day religiously. He's not only walking better, but his back doesn't hurt now. He's feeling wonderful. I recommend chiropractic care to everyone. Just make the appointment and do it. Sometimes medication just doesn't quite handle the situation. And that's all I got to say.